Good morning folks, if you're on here, my name is Monday, and welcome to today's vlog. Is it a 1 day vlog? Is it a 2 day vlog? We will see. So guys, let me put you guys in the window, because I'm just carrying popping up the tea bags. It is Wednesday the 20th of August 2025 is the date, and it's 20th/08/2025 for the short. There you go. And well, it's been a little bit of time since I've ended the previous video. I had 1 minute on the camera, and it is 09:18. There you go. If the battery starts flashing, do not panic. I will change it. So, while I'm doing this, I'll talk to you on what we're doing today. We'll be having hot drinks, aka two teas actually. I want to say 1 tea, 1 coffee. But as you can see, I'll be back in a minute with a change the batteries. I'll be back in a minute. The Chloe's got a tea. Yeah, I always have a tea with Chloe. Sometimes I'll have a coffee. Some mornings, don't you? I'm on that. We're using this for a temporary bin liner, because our main one is outside. I'll transfer them in a bit shortly. So, let's show you on. Huh? I will hold fire. I'll show you. That's not mine. I will show you and tell you on what we've got planned for today. After, I know I said after breakfast and cup of tea first and then breakfast, we will be getting ready, going down to Parkgate, down at Robin Parkgate, go over to Curry's, and then get Chloe a new laptop. And get some new leggings. Huh? And new leggings. And new leggings from Primark? A voucher for Christmas for my birthday. Is it been Christmas already? Not even my birthday yet. Yeah. Been Chloe's birthday recently, so she got a was it in a card? It was a gift card. From in a card was a gift card. From my mum. From my nabby. I'll take it from her. There you go. Bust down. I'm not even checking for what's on today. There's some 3 decks or double deckers, or some might be single deckers. I'm not too sure. Alright. I'm back on course cams. So, I'm about to show you. After going down Parkgate, we'll come back here, and then me and Ben will be coming back here. So we're meeting Ben down at Parkgate and setting up some type of layout, some sort. This is my section and that's Ben's section. Because that is Ben's piss track. That's mine. I'll find my goes underneath as well. That's Ben's at the moment. So yeah. So it'll be sorting out while Chloe is sorting out on the laptop. And then after that will be probably tune out for the rest of the day, probably see Ben off, and then dissolve.
No. Capsules. Got a headache. I woke up with a headache. I ain't woke up with a headache for ages.
No, I mean I'll probably pick the wrong ones up. That's sore throat. That's
Oh, I didn't hear about.
Let's have a look in the IKEA bag. The IKEA bag is kind of squished. Here from the bean bag. So basically chilling out for the remainder of the day. After that, then I'm finished, and I will be editing my vlog, the previous vlog as well. No, it's not an IKEA bag.
Oh.
So I'll catch you in a minute, so I can try look for some tablets for Chloe. There's one in there that says cough.
No. Where did I put them then? I put something somewhere and I can't find it.
So I'll speak to you in a bit, so enjoy your day and whatever you're doing. While I'm going to be on cross cams. I'm going to sort my videos out, sort my vlog out, just put them in the right order so it's easy to edit. While having a cup of tea. So I'll leave you with cross cams. What is live from Dartmouth in UK? Right guys, we're just currently waiting for bus, aren't we?
Mhm. Yes.
And our bus is just coming out the corner in a sec. Come from up there. I'll show you when it comes right round the corner. Oh, it's left. It's not in there. That purple one. Purple monster. I throw away this. Say hello. So guys, this is for the vlog battle guys. This is what currently happening at the moment. We have Reese saying that, what's up vlog, haha. There we go. So you guys on the live stream can see the behind the scenes. I will stand in the middle, as there's going to be a bit more space and probably light as well. So we have a comment from Reese on the chat saying, vlog viewers don't forget to catch the live streams. This is from a viewer, if it wants to focus. There you go. Vlog viewers don't forget to catch the live streams. Normally on a Friday. This is what I generally do when I do a vlog. Yeah. So what we've done today, this is to do with the vlog. So by the way, guys, 3-week completion. Hello. We just went down to Park 8 main floor and then came back here. Ben were waiting for us and then came up. I've edited my vlog. I just need to upload it, and now here we running trains for this afternoon for a little bit. We have my 68 there with my Mark 5 set. We have got Ben's 68 there with his carriages, and then there's my 68 Indy RS with the wagons as well. So this is like behind the scenes, and that's what Ben is currently running his 68 on. So this is basically behind the scenes. This is from this live stream. So that's what we're doing right now. I've got a lot more stuff here. That stuff there is not mine, but on that wall there is, except for the dapple. Right guys, I'm going to get on with the vlog. I'll speak to you guys in a bit, so enjoy your day on the vlog. But I'm going to still live stream for a few minutes, for a few more minutes, and then go from there. So let's be in a minute, guys. On City Bus Manager, hasn't been on it for a while. So it is 21:58, almost 9 o'clock. Alexa, turn on living room light.
Oh.
Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
That's right. Let's ask her in here how long is on the timer. Echo, how long is on my timer?
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds left on your 60
1 minute?
timer.
1 minute on the timer. Yep. Okay, we got
I think I've overpowered the
chicken. I'm not going to say that's chicken, but it's rice. It's Claire with our favourite things.
again.
Spices and herbs.
Getting more for these.
Claire's tried something different. Here are chicken and rice, and we have that. I don't know what.
Herbs, mayo and stuff.
Know what Claire's thinking of, or what she's trying to do. Or you try and mix that in with that.
With rice, but I don't know how to do this as well.
So yeah, we'll see what it tastes like when it's done.
Hot water like this.
What do you need?
Lid, I think.
1 second, guys. I'm actually talking to you guys and helping Chloe with the tea with it is.
Because I can't. Oh, didn't think about this, did I, Chloe? That's what I can't do.
1 second, guys.
Oh, lids like that. And I don't want rice to escape as well. I might have to lose the rice.
One second, guys. We'll be with you in a minute.
Not stuck to the bottom. Again.
What the hell's going on?
Doesn't look like a fish.
So what we're doing, it's chill out for a bit. Echo, stop. So what we're doing, we chill out for a bit, have breakfast, tea, not breakfast, what?
Yeah.
Well, a cup of tea and whatnot.
I do not know if this is going to work. I think I've overpowered the mayo. This might not work. I can try, but if it doesn't work, it don't work. We'll still eat it, won't we?
Yeah.
Got to.
Yeah.
No, we've got to because
Chloe's trying something different. If you think Chloe should make some cooking videos,
down.
let us know. Not really, guys. I think Chloe's not ready for that. So that's chicken. That's rice with that in. So yeah.
Might have worked. Ooh.
So it's just going to be chilling out,
I know.
having tea. Yeah.
James,
Yeah.
that actually worked.
So we're having that for tonight.
Try that. I'm starting a minute again.
So I'll be back in a minute. I'll speak to you after I try this. No, I can actually do it on video.
Trying to mix it all in. Be able to find the biggest spoon, right, Chloe?
I didn't have the big spoon. Because see how long this is around for. Plus this had rice in it as well.
Don't matter, I think it's done. Stop the choo-choo train!
Really?
That's how big I can see it. I think it's overpowering at mayonnaise though. Do something to put mayonnaise in. That actually is not bad. And it has got a hint of chilli in it. Not much chilli. So I don't find you said mad from tonight. Most of this out.
Probably different with
Chicken.
there's the chili. There's the cake.
Not that bad, is it? You put that much chilli in, actually.
Probably
And I have
after,
a thing for chilli.
probably after it, I probably need a good drink.
I just don't want to put stuff in this way.
Hmm?
Really, so it's the chicken.
What is this drink?
Doing a lot of chicken here, that's a
No.
problem I have.
So I'll speak in a bit when we actually talk about what we have done for today. So I'll catch you in a bit.
Done.
21:08. 30 so this is what clothes we're trying to do. There's rice in there, quite a bit of rice, bit of chicken.
With loads of herbs in.
And herbs and the spices.
There's herbs on the chicken, like salt and pepper.
That's mine. That's clothes. I'm on City Bus Manager.
I was on it.
And we're watching Tom at the same time. So take away Tom. There's a moving fridge. Freezer. Oh, righty folks. It's now really. It's now a bit later on in the day. We've had to start on is making sure that everything is switched off and all good for tonight. So what have Alexa turn off the living room light?
Okay.
So what we have done, as I mentioned earlier, we got ready. Just sorted out my vlog on the computer, but I haven't edited it this morning. But I've just sorted it out, make sure it's sorted in the right order and whatnot. By the way, I forgot to show you what time. It is 01:20, almost 20 past. Almost 20 past 1 in the morning. There you go. So, it says what?
That's me.
I think the combo's stuck in the ear. I can still hear though.
The travel contains of this.
When you do your ears.
Got first chef being closer off for me as I walked down to bus stop, and it was First Sheffield 69438 on route 141 from Winfield to Rotherham Parkgate. Gone over to Curry's to get so Chloe can get a new laptop. Then we went to Primark. Primark so Chloe can get some new leggings and
Some jammies.
some new pyjamas or nightwear. Or to have wear around the house if we know that we are not going out probably. And if we know we're not having any guests going around, that's not what Chloe will wear on. So then and then after that,
Wait for this to go in.
okay, and then after doing First Sheffield's 37-250 on route 141 from Rotherham Parkgate to Rotherham Interchange, as we just missed at 142 again. So we did bus into Rotherham Town Centre to wait for or to get the next bus. We could have stayed on that bus.
But some drivers don't like it.
Yeah, some bus drivers don't like it
But we went straight out.
because there was a 142 was actually on same stand as where the 140 departs from. So yeah, because 142 was actually parked on stand and the 140 was actually running late. Anyways,
Keeping and just see how it goes.
then we had first Sheffield 63438 on route 142 from Rotherham interchange to Wingfield. Met up with Ben. He was waiting for us outside Co-op. Then we walked up. Got back here. Then I've edited my vlog on the computer. Then we're basically me and Ben were in gaming room where Chloe was setting a new laptop up. We just basically just chill out for most of the day. Ran a couple of trains. We went live on YouTube. We had Reese on there, we had Chris, we had Trevor and Chloe as moderators. Chris, Trevor, Chloe was the three moderators for today's live stream. Reese has been chatting with us on stream as well, so thank you to Reese. And a few other people as well, thank you so much. I forgot all your names, so the main ones who I mentioned. Staying a bit later on, we're just chill out. I'll put trays away. And then basically I'd say, and then just chill out for the rest of the night when Ben went. Our computer went on City Bus Manager for a good couple hours. And then we're helping Chloe on her save game. On City Bus Manager.
Yeah.
On her save game. Extending the community, the travel centre, and etc. So, yeah. What else? I think that's mainly it. What we have done for today, this vlog. I might as well go get on. It is now 1:25 in the morning. Gone over 7 minutes. Come up towards 8 minutes. I'll tell you more everything what we're doing next day in the next vlog in the morning when we get up. I'm not too sure what time that will be. So thank you so much for watching. If you're around here, my name is James Ado. Everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today. That's there on my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, Roblox will be in the description as well. The games for playing on Roblox will be in the description as well. Ben's channel will be in the description. It will be on the last one as well, but I need to add that on. I need to add his channel onto the live stream for the Wednesday's live stream. What was the bonus? And then we'll be trying to work with Morgan at J&M Travel Transplant Chat Show. What will be changing the name soon, and the 5 steps where you can take. If you remember that properly, please let me know in the comments down below. It will be appreciated. I'll see you all tomorrow for another day of vlog. If you're not about the vlogs, I'll see you in the Friday's live stream. If not, there might be a bonus over weekend / in week, but we'll see on that one. So on that, I catch one as well. So thank you so much for watching. As everything you need to know, description, and I catch you all in the morning. So be everybody, bye.